Midjourney has been making waves as one of the top AI image generators out there, but is it really living up to the hype? Today, we're diving into what makes this tool tick and whether it's worth your time and money. Midjourney is an AI-driven platform that generates images from textual prompts. The user experience is quite intuitive, especially for those familiar with Discord, as it operates primarily through a Discord bot. You simply type your command and the AI conjures up images based on your descriptions. This can be really fun for artists, designers, or anyone looking to visualize their ideas. What stands out is the quality of the images. They often have a unique artistry to them that feels more creative compared to other tools. However, it's not without its quirks. The process can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers, especially with the various commands and settings. Plus, there's a learning curve to getting the most out of your prompts. Some users have noted that the results can be hit or miss, depending on how specific or vague the input is. Overall, while it has great potential, it might not be the smoothest experience for everyone. On the plus side, Midjourney excels in producing visually stunning images that often have an artistic flair, which is a big draw for creative professionals. The community aspect on Discord also allows for collaboration and feedback, which can enhance the creative process. However, there are significant downsides. The reliance on Discord might deter users who prefer a standalone application. Additionally, the pricing structure can feel steep, especially if you're not using it frequently. Some users also express frustration with the lack of clarity in the tools and settings, leading to inconsistent results. It might not be the best fit for those who want quick, straightforward image generation without a steep learning curve. In conclusion, Midjourney is definitely worth considering if you're an artist or creative looking for unique image generation. But if you prefer a more user-friendly experience or have budget constraints, you might want to explore other options. It's a powerful tool, but it comes with its own set of challenges.